This is a tequeño. This is an empanada. This is PANNA to go, where thousands of tequeños, empanadas, and many other Latin bakery products are made and shipped all over the country. You'll find ours to be the best tequeños and empanadas on the market. Most of our products have South American roots, from Argentina, Colombia, Venezuela. We offer tequeños, empanadas, cachitos, pan de bono, arepas, breakfast sandwiches, and much more. Made in Miami, our products are produced from original recipes using artisan and industrial processes. With direct supervision from USDA inspectors and adherence to SQF higher standards of hygiene and security, our production is of the highest quality. Our food processing capabilities are comprehensive, and we also offer ingredient, product, and packaging development. At PANNA to go, we focus on 3 key areas of the industry. 1. Food service. 2. Private label. 3. Latin Corner Food Program. Food service. The high standards of our products will satisfy even the most demanding needs of the food service industry. From restaurants, airports, and park and recreation facilities to schools, hospital cafeterias, hotels, convenience stores, catering operators, and more. You'll find the perfect product to fit your menu from our range. Private label. We offer customized solutions for companies and businesses wanting to produce and package our products on a large scale. You can select one of our original recipes, or our professional team can work directly with you to develop tailor-made recipes specific to your needs. Whether you're seeking packaging, label design, distribution support, or co-packaging, we are able to guide you through these processes. Latin Corner Food Program. With an understanding of the value of time and space for convenience stores, gas stations, and food concessions, our Latin Corner Food Program offers products that are ready to serve or require minimal preparation using easy-to-use equipment. Selling a delicious, consistent product every time will increase your customer rates, both new and returning, and lead to greater revenue for you. At PANNA to go, we value integrity, responsibility, and commitment. Contact PANNA to go today and see why we are the leading quality Latino food manufacturer in the country.